activity. The overall total of the marks obtained by you in 3 subjects works out to 185, whereas you needed a total of 250 marks to get a distinction. You can check how many marks you would need in any one of the 3 subjects. Let us say English to achieve the required total of 250 marks. Enter the marks for the 3 different subjects and apply the formula to find their total in cell D2. Click on the Data tab. Click on the What If Analysis arrowhead button and select the Goal Seek option from the drop-down list. The Goal Seek dialog box will appear on the screen. Check if the Set Cell text box has the address of the cell where the formula is entered. In the To Value text box, enter the value you need to obtain from the formula, here 250. In the By Changing Cell text box, enter the cell address of the cell which you want to change, in this case cell A2, to achieve the required result, or simply click in that particular cell and the cell address, here $A, $2. It will be filled automatically. Click on the OK button. You will get the required value for the cell A2, which will be calculated as the result, which is 250.